What's up guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this hair tutorial, which I know it's been so long since I've done a hair tutorial. So I wanted to share my natural beachy curls, perfect for spring and summer, just because obviously summer hair is my favorite. It just looks so sexy and effortless. So this is something that I do at least once a week. This lasts me for about 3 to 5 days. And I honestly have to tell you, like, the curls look better the second day, the third day, like as the days go on, it just looks better and better because they look effortless. The curls open up. So anyway, I love this style. I hope you guys enjoy it too. I did partner with IGK for this video, so I'm going to feature 2 of their products along with other stuff that I use in this video. So again, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my hair type, just because it's really important to know, I guess. I have really dry, coarse, and really thick hair. I have a lot of hair. So for me, I like using very conditioning products like right out of the shower. When I'm out of the shower, my hair is damp, I like to put in a leave-in conditioner just because my hair just needs it. It like soaks it in. This one's by IGK. It's called the Mistress Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner, and it's just perfect for coarse and curly hair, and of course dry hair, so that's my hair type. This is vegan, cruelty-free, it's got UV protection, mineral oils, and it's paraben and sulfate free, which is great for your hair. So I like to put a small amount of this and work it into my hair until I feel like my hair is nice and conditioned, and it just makes such a difference. Like my hair, when I get out of the shower, no matter how much conditioner I put in the shower, like I need a leave-in conditioner, otherwise it always just feels super dry. So I put that on, and then right after that, I'll put some sort of a hair oil. So this is one that I really like. It's by Gisou. So I'll put a little bit of this as well and then work it into my hair. By the way, I do have a hair post on the blog, which I'll link down below, and it talks more about products that I love, where I get my hair colored and cut and styled, all of that stuff. So I'll definitely leave that down below as well. So right after the oil, I like to go in and brush my hair with a wet brush like this one. This is my favorite. I have it in like every color basically. So I just kind of brush it and then rough dry it, but it still looks super frizzy. So I do have to go in and curl it just because I love the beachy waves. I love like the natural curls, especially for spring and summertime. I think it's so pretty. First, I like to curl my hair. So I like to section my hair off like this, and then just grab small sections and start to curl it. And I like to use a wand like this one. This one I believe is a 25 millimeter. This one is by T3. I've had it for so long. I had to bring it to work today for this. But anyway, it's a really good one and it works great. So the way that I like to curl my hair is away from my face, and then I like to just curl and leave the ends loose like this. What I like to do is just roll it a little bit and then make sure that the end is loose. So then when you let it go, it just looks a lot more natural. Once everything is done, you'll see like what I'm talking about. But so the first one I did away from my face. Now the second one, I'm gonna go ahead and do inwards. So like just kind of alternating. I am looking at my viewfinder instead of a mirror, so hopefully I don't burn myself. And then let it go. And this is what it looks like. So once you're done, and you can do this at the very end, or you can do this in every step, just depends on how much volume you want. If you want a ton of volume, then do it for every step. So I'll just show you that way. So for my texturizing spray, I love the IGK one, and I've been using this for so long, I actually have to show you. This is the bottle that I was using before I even partnered with them. So when they reached out, they were like, you can pick whatever product you want. I was like, it's gotta be this one because it's so good, and I've been using this for so long. This is actually on the blog post as well. So anyway, I already have really thick hair, so I don't want it to be like crazy hairspray like, you know what I mean? I just want it to look natural but still give me volume, if that makes any sense. This is the IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. This is buildable, lightweight, it's salt free, which is great because it won't really dry out your hair. I like to shake it really well and then just spray it a little bit, and then once I spray it, I kind of like to just touch it and kind of play with it a little bit. There you go. It smells so good. So you see how that kind of creates that more effortless look just by spraying it and kind of playing with it. It just creates more of that beachy, effortless curls. So you just want to roll it and then let it go. So I feel like when you twist it and kind of like roll it, it smooths out the hair, so when you let it go, it kind of just creates a really pretty shine. Again, you want to shake it really well and hold it away from the face, and then just spray it directly, and then right away kind of play with it. So as you can see, this side looks really voluminous. This is the first day, so it's gonna look a little bit more curly, but the more days pass, the more natural the curls look, the more worn in it looks, which I like. Another thing I forgot to mention is when you're doing your right side, hold the wand with your left hand and then go in from the top and roll the hair like this, because I feel like when I first started curling my hair, I just wasn't really quite understanding it, because I felt like one side was always really nice, but then the other side was always not that nice. It didn't really match, and I think it was the way that I was holding the wand. When you're doing your left side, just hold the wand with your right hand and again go in from the top down. So it's always from the top down, and that's when you're gonna get the most natural looking curls. Hopefully my mustache isn't sweating right now because I feel it. Shakira hair back in the day. I like to just kind of control and tame the baby hair because sometimes it's a little out of control. And for that, I actually use an eyebrow gel. This one's by Hourglass, but like you can use any eyebrow gel just to kind of move it around. So that is it for how I curl my hair for more of a natural, beachy, summertime vibe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to hear more about my hair care products that I recommend, definitely check the description box for the blog post. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.